Hello folks, Jose with Homeboats and Travel, bringing you another boat walkthrough, this time of a beautiful 2021 Catalina 385. This Catalina 385 is available for sale at Massey Yacht Sales. For information, please call my number below. If you enjoyed this video walkthroughs, please subscribe to our channel, Homeboats and Travel by Jose Torres. Click on the link below to subscribe and ring the bell so you get any updates on new walkthroughs on new boats and used boats. There's some classics out there that we do videos on. It's a lot of fun to see how boats design has changed over time. So with that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.